agency has the prerogative to use another data agreement actually. So the agency may not use this agreement because in respect to the data sharing policy that it has, it can use another data sharing agreement. Next. Next. Okay, next. Next. Okay, next. So ASTI is our partner when it comes to the provision of the network. So ASTI is our service provider. Geodata is our service provider when it comes to the software. So we have conducted trainings already. So several trainings, in fact, NAMRIA, stakeholders, and so on and so forth. Next. Okay, just to give you an idea of what data are available now on the portal, we have this data from NAMRIA. We have the topo map covering the whole country at 1 to 50,000. It's selected areas for the 50,000 scale and the 10,000 scale. We have LiDAR and orthophoto, Metro Manila. We have other information from NAMRIA like geodesy, meaning the geodetic control points, hydrography, forest land, land class, slope, etc. Including the Ondoy map, we have uploaded that on the portal already. And for the agency data, we have this data uploaded to the portal. We have data from DA, DNR, DepEd, DOH. Anyway, later on, Bubo is going to show you a demonstration of the Philippine Geoportal system. Next. Next. So this is just a snapshot of the system. Next. So for phase 2, so we want to expand our data build to cover Davao City. This is just a plan, and in fact, this is still under discussion. And we might also consider the Cebu data. Okay? Now we're considering the 3 metropolitan areas of the country: Metro Manila, we're done with that, Davao, and then Cebu. And then develop business models, like models related to VR and climate change adaptation, and so on and so forth. Next. Okay, we want to try our luck on those applications like possibly mobile application. So your portal being used using your smartphones. Okay? And then of course we need to upgrade our system, our ICT infra. Right now we're 45 Mbps, we're trying to upgrade to 90 Mbps. And we're going to be buying siguro software and hardware more in the future. Next. So as I've said, we're going to expand our membership to include those other stakeholders in the coming phases of the project. Next. Next. Okay, this is the vision of the Philippine Geoportal project. So just read it, and the next. Okay, that's it. Thank you, Buboy.
We are going to access NAMRIA server. Okay. This is a working prototype, but the next few weeks, product launching, launching this application system. Work started in January, and eventually we're able to provide you with the application. So this is the main portal website. You can view information, more information about the PGP on this website. You can actually access it right now. Okay. Now we go to the highlight of the portal, which is the map viewer. Okay, we have here the Philippine-based map. Now this is not just any other map viewer, similar to probably Google Earth or online map application, because we want really to highlight government data in this map. So in this map is your government data. Okay, not just data from any other sources. This map is not going to be used to locate your favorite Starbucks location or where's your nearest mall. Okay, but you can browse through the data. Let's see the table of contents. So what data is available on this portal. Okay, the Philippine Geoportal system is a repository of the government data, so data set. We have data from Department of Agriculture, Department of Environment and Natural Resources, and other agency data. Okay. When we turn on those layers, we will actually see the data displayed on the map. Okay, we have relevant information which can be used by the government and by the public for planning, for disaster management, for other applications. Okay, so probably we can show some of the agency data on the map. You can find some of the layers here. So this is a working prototype data, hindi ko masyadong marami, but in the next few weeks, you will expect mas maraming data set na display. Okay? So I want to see some of the data first slide. Let's zoom into Metro Manila and see the school facilities. So the system is accessing the NAMRIA service live, and load. So there you are. We're able to display the location of schools. So not only schools, hospitals, and other relevant information. Okay, where are my services? Where are my schools? Where are my hospitals located? Where are the bridges? So this different data from the government agency can be displayed here. So it is not just about locating the data on the map, but we can access what relevant information is there on the data set. So we can identify one point there and access, perhaps for hospitals, how many beds are there, okay, what else? How large is the hospital? So for example, Elaine at the back identified one hospital and shown here the information about the hospital. It's not just about displaying the map, but accessing the information. Okay. Aside from map display, we can think of the Philippine Geoportal system as being used for disaster planning or disaster management. Let us zoom into one area in the Philippines, here in Bohol. Okay, on display here also are the disaster maps. Okay, which maps or which areas are prone to hazards, earthquakes, multi-hazard maps. So, highlighted in red are the high-risk areas which are prone to landslides. So, if we have our information like DENR mining sites, we can overlay this. So, let us turn on the DENR mining sites. So, these are sites which there are mining activities. So, as you can see, the mining sites are located in high-risk areas. So, probably what we can do is improve the facilities or perhaps totally ban the mining areas there to prevent loss of lives. Okay, so probably another use case here is for risk analysis. So let us go to Metro Manila in flooded areas during the last ongoing. So shown here is the ongoing flood map. Okay. The much darker areas are areas with just higher flood levels. Okay. So now I'm going to display the school facilities and hospital facilities here. So we can see which areas or which schools and hospitals are affected, mostly being affected by the flood. So we can perhaps allocate our resources those hospitals and schools, okay, for better allocation. So hindi lang nakakonsentrate sa isang lugar, but rather we see the map, we develop our plan, and we get into action. Okay, we hope you like our demo. In our NAMRIA's booth, we can get more information about the EGP system, but we can also go to the URL listed about And thank you very much. Thank you, Elaine, for assisting me.
Thank you, Sir Boboy, and also to Director Fabic. It's good to know that we have this kind of project that provides us with fundamental data, especially in disaster management. We especially need this for better collaboration in